Hello, my name's Kate, and today we're going to create a tea formula to help curb sugar cravings. So if you're feeling that you want to decrease the amount of sugar in your diet or just reduce any type of intake in general, this tea is going to be very supportive to your nervous system and to your dietary needs. So I'm going to start with lemon verbena, which is one of my favorite herbs from South America. And it, just as the name suggests, has a very lemony, almost tart-like quality to it. And then the other component, which will also be in equal parts, is going to be schisandra berry. Schisandra is an adaptogenic herb used in Ayurvedic medicine. Then I'm going to use hibiscus, which is a very nutritive herb. It's really beautiful. This is going to be supporting more of those sour flavors that we want to encourage the body to get used to. Because the more that we have different flavors, more sour and more bitter, the less we're going to have the experience to desire sweet things. So cinnamon. Cinnamon is really fun because it is a blood sugar regulator. Do a couple scoops of ginger root. It's also going to be a stimulant for the digestive tract. It's going to help us process all of the other flavors that we're experiencing. This is licorice root. This is another adaptogen used in China. It's used as a harmonizer in a lot of different Chinese formulas, and we're using it here as a harmonizer in our tea blend. And this is yarrow. Yarrow is an incredible medicinal herb. It has so many attributes that I can't even list them all right now. Particularly finding itself in this formula because of its bitter properties and its ability to help us, when used in small doses, create healthy boundaries. So I know trying to change patterns of things, trying to shift from having a lot of sugar in the diet, that can be a big challenge for some folks. So we're just gonna put a little bit of yarrow in here to help us create very healthy boundaries about making change in our diet. We're just gonna mix it together so we can get all of the flavors. It smells really good too. And then of course, you want to add a nice label to the jar stating all of the ingredients and the date just in case. This is loose leaf tea. It'll last flavor-wise a good amount of time, at least a month or so in storage. It will still taste very fresh. A general rule for making tea is 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon per cup of water. In this instance, we're making a quart of tea, so we'll use about an ounce. And I'm gonna do 2 cups worth right here. We have our hot water. We're gonna pour hot water over the herbs, and then we're gonna let it steep for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes or so, your tea will be ready to drink. So now we've just made a tea that'll help support you curb your sugar cravings. And you can drink it anytime. Simple to make. You can make a whole week's worth and have it at your convenience. Thanks for making tea with me.